I'm sharing what I got up to this week and we're getting right into it. The day started off on Thursday. I didn't get much sewing done early in the week, and my daughter and I decided it was time to assemble the last bit of shelving that I've purchased for my sewing room. So here you can see us just going at it. And it took us a while and we didn't finish, but we still had a good time doing it. Then on Friday, we decided to recruit in the big guns, my husband, to help us finish assembling it. Not that we couldn't have done it ourselves, but he does work a little bit more efficiently. So you can see one of us working really hard and two of us maybe having a K-pop Demon Hunters dance party. You'll have to be the judge of who was doing what in that clip. And I did do some mental math, clearly just mental, and decided that I needed to buy two of those shelves to fit the space. And clearly one shelf is more than adequate. So now I need to decide if I'm returning the second one or maybe putting it in my daughter's room. She could definitely use some organization, and it is a pretty decent and nice shelf. So I do kind of feel that I will be keeping it. It was like $50 a shelf, and compared to like some of the other shelving I was seeing even on like Marketplace or just buying online other shelves, nicer shelves, I thought that was a pretty good deal. I'm pretty happy with it. And then those last few clips where you can see we were starting to organize finally a lot of my stuff onto both the shelf we put into the closet and the shelf that we put on the wall. And that brings us to Sunday. It's Sunday. Can you tell from my Sunday morning fit? And I just came downstairs to sew, but we're going to have to wait because this is what the temperature is according to my heater. 44 degrees in here. That will not do. I like to sew in a tank top, and 44 degrees is even too chilly for me. So I'll be back in a bit because it is freaking cold here in New York, and I hope you guys are staying. We're back. My heater says it's 53 degrees in here. Outside, it says I think it was 0 degrees, feels like -13. I think you can see the snow behind me. Just a great day here in central New York, but I'm going through perimenopause and I get hot if I have sleeves on. So I'm going to be a little chilly, but that's okay. So today I'm finally getting to the quiet play block of the month. I got so long. It's flowers of each month. And so far I have January and February to do. January is a carnation, February is an iris. I was going to start with February, but I've already kind of run into a snafu. I bought this amazing purple fabric that I want to use as my background. Like, isn't that nice and beautiful? But an iris is purple. So I was just doing a quick Google search and it looks like irises can also be blue. So I think I'm going to do a blue iris. We're going to have to take some creative liberties because I'm kind of set on this purple background. And I'm going to start cutting up my fabric. I think my kids are going to be in here bothering me. I mean, spending quality time with me. But we will see how much I get through. I'm excited. All right, I'll check back in a little while. Okay, so this is where we ended the day in progress. I got these 4 little pieces done. I'm pretty happy. Almost immediately after I filmed that last clip, I completely changed my mind and decided not to do the iris out of blue, but instead do it out of purple. I do think this has enough contrast. What do you think? So I got 4 of the pieces done. I got everything cut out. I got the fabric cut out. I got most of the papers folded. So that'll be a fun grab and go project this week, quick to do after work. And now that I've kind of got the prep done, so I'm excited and I'm going to try to get that block done this week and maybe even the carnation block for January that I haven't done. If you can see outside the window, you can see the snow kind of halfway up the window. I really, really, really hope that this weather breaks because it's all right down here right now, but now my feet are like getting painfully cold. So not exactly enjoying that aspect of this, and I do have socks and shoes on, and I think I need warmer socks. So, yeah, it's been a fun week, a lot of organizing, and now finally some sewing. And I'm excited to see what I can get up to this week. I think I got some time to sew. We're going to do a Wednesday Zoom in the Clubhouse. So I know I'm always going to get some stuff done. Might even be able to finish up this block on that Wednesday Zoom. Yeah, I'm just really, really looking forward to it. I hope that you like this video and liked coming on this journey with me. And I'm excited to kind of make more videos documenting what I'm doing instead of trying to come up with ideas of things to put into videos. I don't know if that makes sense, but thanks for chasing dopamine with me, and I will talk to you soon. Take care of yourself. You deserve it.